Welcome to our Houston Travel Guide. I'm excited to show you the best places to visit in Houston, a city that perfectly blends urban sophistication with southern charm. Whether you are planning a Houston weekend getaway, a family vacation, or an adventure travel experience, this vibrant metropolis offers something for everyone. From world-class museums to outdoor activities, cultural attractions to fantastic city parks, we'll cover all the top tourist attractions. So, let's dive into our Houston City Tour and discover what makes Space City so special. Our Houston travel itinerary begins at one of the city's most iconic attractions, Space Center Houston. As the official visitor center of NASA's Johnson Space Center, this is a must-visit destination on any Houston vacation. Walk through replica space shuttles, touch a real moon rock, and see actual spacecraft that have returned from orbit. The center offers an incredible glimpse into America's space program and makes for one of the best Houston attractions for kids and adults alike. Whether you're a science enthusiast or just curious about space exploration, this Houston tourist attraction delivers an out-of-this-world experience. Next on our Things to Do in Houston list is Buffalo Bayou Park, a 160-acre urban oasis stretching through the heart of the city. This beautiful green space offers some of the best Houston outdoor activities, with hiking and biking trails winding alongside the peaceful bayou. Don't miss the stunning downtown views from the park's elevated points or the fascinating Bridge Bat Colony, where thousands of bats emerge at sunset. As we continue our Houston City Tour, we arrive at Market Square Park in the historic heart of downtown. This charming urban park sits on the site of Houston's original City Hall and Market Center. Today, it's surrounded by restaurants, bars, and historic architecture, making it a hub for Houston nightlife and cultural experiences. Grab a bite from the authentic Greek cafe in the park, enjoy outdoor movie nights in summer, or simply relax by the beautiful gardens and public art installations. This vibrant gathering space perfectly showcases Houston's blend of history and contemporary urban design. One of the most visited museums in the country, the Houston Museum of Natural Science, houses extraordinary exhibits ranging from dinosaur fossils to Egyptian artifacts, a stunning butterfly center, and one of the world's most spectacular collections of gems and minerals. The planetarium offers an immersive space experience, complementing what you learned at Space Center Houston. This is one of the top Houston attractions for kids, but adults will be equally captivated by the world-class exhibits. Home to over 70,000 works spanning 6,000 years of history, the prestigious Museum of Fine Arts showcases everything from Renaissance masterpieces to contemporary installations. With 2 gallery buildings, sculpture gardens, and a repertory cinema, you could easily spend an entire day exploring this Houston cultural attraction. Continuing our exploration of Houston's vibrant art scene, the Contemporary Arts Museum Houston offers a striking contrast to the traditional works we just saw. Housed in a distinctive stainless steel building, this non-collecting museum presents rotating exhibitions of cutting-edge contemporary art from around the world. What makes this space special is its commitment to showcasing emerging artists and experimental works. The museum's thought-provoking exhibitions challenge visitors to engage with current social and artistic movements. Our Houston travel exploration now takes us to the remarkable Menil Collection, one of the city's most treasured cultural institutions. Founded by philanthropists John and Dominique de Menil, this free museum houses their extraordinary private collection in a serene, light-filled building designed by architect Renzo Piano. The collection spans primitive art, Byzantine antiquities, medieval works, and 20th century masterpieces by artists like Picasso, Warhol, and Rothko. The museum campus extends to nearby satellite galleries and the peaceful Menil Park, creating a unique cultural oasis in the heart of the city. The Rothko Chapel is a spiritual sanctuary and octagonal building that houses 14 monumental black paintings by Mark Rothko, creating an intensely contemplative space. Our Houston adventure travel experience continues at the Gerald Hines Waterwall Park, a photogenic urban oasis in the Galleria area. This multi-story architectural fountain sends 11,000 gallons of water cascading down its curved wall every minute, creating a mesmerizing curtain of water surrounded by dozens of oak trees. The gentle roar of the falling water drowns out city noise, while the cool mist provides welcome relief during Houston's hot summers. Hermann Park is a 445-acre urban oasis home to many of the city's beloved attractions. Here, you can visit the Houston Zoo, Miller Outdoor Theater, a beautiful Japanese garden, and the Hermann Park Railroad. This versatile green space connects many of Houston's cultural districts and is a tourist destination and favorite local hangout. Now, we're heading to Graffiti Park at the Harrisburg Art Museum, where vibrant street art transforms urban walls into open-air galleries. This ever-changing outdoor museum showcases works by local and international street artists, with new murals appearing regularly. No Houston travel itinerary would be complete without sampling the local craft beer scene at St. Arnold Brewing Company, Texas' oldest craft brewery. Located in a converted warehouse with spectacular downtown views, St. Arnold offers tours that walk you through the brewing process before culminating in a tasting session. Their beer garden and restaurant serve excellent comfort food alongside their award-winning brews. Just 20 minutes from downtown Houston, the Kemah Boardwalk offers one of the best Houston day trips. The waterfront features amusement rides, restaurants, and shopping along Galveston Bay. Fresh seafood restaurants line the boardwalk, and weekend live music creates a festive atmosphere. Houston ranks among America's most multicultural cities, with communities from over 145 countries creating a unique cultural mosaic. Houstonians blend Southern warmth with a cosmopolitan, innovative mindset that you'll experience in every interaction. This cultural diversity shapes the city's incredible food scene, vibrant arts, and daily life. The resilience and community spirit of Houston's people have transformed it into a dynamic city that surprises every visitor.